Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and hope you're having a good weekend so far. And in this video, we'll talk about Bitcoin. We'll do a quick update. It's obviously the weekend. So, well, yesterday I expected not much movement. But in general, we did talk about Bitcoin, that Bitcoin is very bullish still right now. And I'll also tell you why I'm even bullish for Bitcoin on the long term. In this video, so we'll talk about some fundamental things, but yesterday evening we actually got a big move up. You can see right here on the 1 hour time frame, it basically just was one big spike. And the reason for that move is, well, we don't know. Obviously, the fact that fundamentally Bitcoin right now is bullish with the ETFs coming up, of course, that could be a reason. But what you saw yesterday, and that's also the reason why this move is quite strong, is that the volume was dropping down pretty low, down towards $11 billion, which is pretty standard and pretty normal in the weekend. But what that means is that if you have, if you want to invest, I think the buy order right now, right here was about, well, several hundred millions at least. If you want to buy that, it's best to do that when the volume is low, because then the price impact is the highest. So yesterday, as the volume was dropping down, someone or some party with a lot of money bought in, and that made the price spike up towards $40. Eventually, we did not reach that, but we did reach the next price target at 39,200. And Bitcoin was also able to break on top of that. All right, that's now our support. So technically, it's just a continuation of the bullish market structure. You can see that basically after the bullish momentum, the 24th of October, this channel has been held pretty well. Now that does mean that right now we're at the top of the channel, which means that perhaps we could see some sort of a bigger retracement from 40,000. But in general, like something like that is a possibility, and I'll keep you updated on that. If there's confirmation for that, I'll tell you. But right now, on the short term, Bitcoin is very bullish. And if you think about the long term, I mean, obviously, first we have the ETFs coming up. Then we have the Bitcoin halving. Then somewhere in 2024, hopefully the interest rates from the US will start to drop again, making the world economy a bit stronger and allowing a little bit more money to go around. So there's so many bullish fundamental events in the next year that I mean, sure, I could see big retracements from Bitcoin, right? There's still a ton of liquidity at 34,000. But if Bitcoin right now drops down to 34,000, is the market really bearish again? Or is that just a retracement in a super bullish market, right? I don't know. We'll have to see. It depends on other things as well. But overall, I am very bullish on Bitcoin. I think very soon, probably around 40,000, we're going to get a bigger retracement, potentially down to 38,400, maybe even lower. That is something I do expect. However, right now, it's just bullish. And the week opening will be very important. That's usually quite volatile. So we'll still have to see what that does with the price. That is usually just volatile. So that is bullish and bearish. Usually it spikes up both ways. So we'll have to see. But in general, I expect more bullish momentum. And then after that, up towards 40,000, something like that. And after that, a pullback, which is then again resumed with bullish momentum up higher. Ultimately, like it depends a lot. Like I expect 40,000. And then from there, it depends a lot on how much resistance Bitcoin finds there, whether it's going to get a big retracement or whether it's going up to 41,000 immediately after and then potentially get a bigger retracement from there. That's something we'll still have to see. I'll keep you updated on that next week. Economically, there's not too much going on. We got some news on Tuesday with the job openings and the PMI. Wednesday is quiet, Thursday is relatively quiet, only the initial jobless claims, and then Friday is a pretty big day. But I'll keep you updated on that throughout the week, so don't worry too much about that yet. And then lastly, I have my own premium group, which if you're interested in that, you can check that out via the links down in the description. But apart from that, you can also, you can see that there in the pinned comment description. That's up to you. Check that out if that sounds interesting. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.